Hey, what's up, y'all? Your boy Dominoes is back again with another video, okay? Your boy Dominoes speaks out again, okay? What I'm speaking out about is what I talked about on the last video and stuff like that about meanness, hatefulness, drama, hating and all that, resentment and stuff like that, you know? But you know what? I don't know if she gonna watch this video or that last video or something like that, but I want to say it like this. If I say something to offend her, I would really apologize to her. And not only that, I'll apologize to her whole family if they watch my video of me talking about her in certain ways and stuff like that, you know. But let me tell you, the thing is, y'all, I just don't like people lying to me to make me look stupid, you know. Talking about joining the convent, she didn't say it like that. She said she was talking to somebody to becoming a nun, you know. But I must say, y'all, I'm not mad at Tanya no more. I just have resentment towards her. No animosity. I don't know if animosity and resentment mean the same thing, you know. I guess I need to go back to school or something like that, you know, to know what all this means, you know. But I do have a little resentment. I do have a small, teeny bit resentment, you know. That's what it is. I'm not trying to be mean. I'm not trying to be hateful and none of that, you know. I'm really not, honestly, you know. Because, I mean, I'm not hating on Sherman because I don't know Sherman. You hear me? I don't know Sherman. I don't know what he's all about. I don't know what he do. I don't know what he's all about, honestly. I really don't, honestly, you know. So I never met Tanya's first boyfriend, but I only met the boyfriend before me, a guy named Chuck, you know. So let me tell y'all something, though. He seemed like a cool guy. He was very emotional when they broke up, you know. But I told her, give him another chance. That's exactly what I told her. Give Chuck another chance. He seemed like a nice guy, you know. But she gave him another chance and stuff like that. And I was happy that she did, you know. So that's all I'm saying, y'all, you know. So if I really hated Sherman, I would have said something. Because I don't know nothing about Sherman, honestly. So I can't blame him because I never saw him in my life. I don't know what he's all about, honestly, you know. I don't know what Sherman is all about, and I would never talk bad about him like that unless he do me something or encourage Talia to be mean to me, you know. Because to me, Lee encouraged Shamika to be mean to me. How? I may ask, may you ask? Because let me tell you something. Shamika got in a relationship with this guy, didn't say nothing, started being mean and hateful and conniving and devious and all that, you know? Okay? And then one time, I heard Shamika on the balcony out there talking about me, mentioning me, talking about I'm aggravated and I'm a gentleman and all that. You know? Telling that bastard about me. That literally pissed me off. I wanted to go out there and confront her, but I didn't. I said to myself, I ain't gonna say nothing because I do not want to meet this guy. I don't even want to know that guy. You know, that's all I said. You know. So to me, that guy's sneaky. You know. Now back to Tanya, you hear me? I'm like, Jesus Christ, why would you be mean to me like that? Why would you lie? That's all I'm saying, though. That's all I'm saying, you know. Like I said, if I curse out, call every dirty name out the book, I make her cry. That would be the most fucked up thing I could ever do. You hear me? That would be totally fucked up. But back then, Tanya had a fucked up problem. I gotta keep it real, y'all. She had a fucked up problem with me. You know what I mean by a fucked up problem with me? Because the way she was acting towards me. That's why I say that, you know. But I'm not saying it to talk bad about her, because I'm not talking bad about her, y'all. Tell your family, if y'all watching this, I'm not talking bad about her. I'm not. I'm just speaking the truth. Because, you know, in my heart, I got a feeling I'm going to hear from Tanya. You know, I have a strong feeling I'm going to hear from her, honestly. I love her, but technically, I got a feeling I'm going to hear from her. I know I'm going to hear from her, honestly. I have a strong feeling. You hear me? Just because I call Brandon and stuff like that, you know, I'm not talking bad about her, y'all. I'm not fucking talking bad about her. I'm just saying, I mean, I'm sorry to bring all this up. I'm very sorry. If you're watching this, Tanya, I'm sorry to bring this up, but I'm not trying to put a guilt trip on you. I just wish you would apologize to me for that, you know. That's all, you know. I'm not mad at you. I just resent the fact that you abandoned me, got married, and treated me so bad. That's what I was upset about. I know you was upset. But you should have been honest with Domino. I'll be honest with you. It's all right to lie on certain things. Talking about you afraid you're going to hurt my feelings. Now, first of all, hurt my feelings, keeping it from me, treating me bad, lying to me, and saying all stupid stuff. That really hurt. You know? Talking about you going to become a nun and all that. This is funny what I'm about to say. Tanya, you dressed up in a nun outfit, you will look stupid. I'm sorry. I'm very sorry. I'm definitely sorry. You will look stupid in a nun outfit. I looked at myself. I will look stupid. But I would dress up as a nun just for the hell of it. But come on now. Don't do all that. Tanya, if you dress up as a nun, you will look stupid as hell. Shit. You will look stupid as hell. I would put a paper bag over my head if she ever become a nun and dressed up like a nun. She'll look ugly as hell. Jesus Christ. Well, I'm not saying it to be mean. I'm not trying to be mean, y'all. I'm really not, honestly, though. Because joining a convent, you know, I got nothing against nuns, y'all. I want to apologize to anybody that's offended by what I'm saying, you know. I mean, I'm not trying to offend nuns, you know, because let me tell y'all something. I have nothing against nuns. I love nuns, you know what I'm saying? Because like I say, certain people look cute as a nun. But Tanya of all people, hell no. Y'all seen Tanya on my show before, okay? But Lord have mercy, Jesus. Tanya, you want to become a nun? I doubt that'll happen. But don't lie about it. At least tell me the truth. You found somebody and all that. That's okay. You had a baby. Congratulations on that. 2 more children. Congratulations. You heard me? I'm congratulating you on having kids. Fuck your marriage. You heard me? I'm sorry. I'm sorry to say that, but fuck your marriage, okay? I'm not saying fuck him or whatever. I'm saying fuck the marriage, honestly. Why I say that? Because the way you treated me, you know? Because you got married and everything. You lied and stuff and treated me like crap. Yeah, we broke up, you know? Yeah, we did broke up, and we continue on being friends after that, you know? But don't lie to Domino, you hear me? Do not lie. Don't make Domino look stupid. That's all I'm saying. I love you, Tanya, if you're watching this. And I love your family, whoever watching this. I love anybody that in your family that watches this. But if you have beef with me, I'm sorry. I'm not trying to be mean. I'm not trying to be messy or nothing, honestly. I'm really not. You know? I'm really not trying to be messy, honestly. Because I love people. You know? I love people to death. You know, that's how I am. You hear me? I care about everybody around, you know. I got feelings, you know. But Tanya, you know I have feelings. You know I have, you know. I'm a human being with feelings, y'all, okay? And anybody that's offended on what I'm saying, I apologize. I apologize to anybody, you hear me, that's offended on what the hell I'm saying, you know. I don't mean no harm when I do my show, okay? I don't mean no harm when I say things, okay? Just like this guy here from Brobridge and whoever he was, taking up for this guy that ran over children in Brobridge, you know. So why would you take up for somebody that harmed children? It's about children. It's not about who did this or did that and all that. If that person do wrong, they should be accountable for it, you know. That's all. Just like my own brother, he done a lot of shit. And I hold him accountable for all that shit. Like he tried to take over my house and stuff like that, you know? So, that's all I'm saying, y'all. I do not make these videos to shame people, you know? That's not me, okay? So, when I mentioned something about Tiario, I didn't mean no harm when it came to Tiario, okay? I really didn't mean it. You know, I was just upset because his YouTube channel got terminated. Jesus Daughter 001 or something like that. Jesus Daughter 001. I was very upset that his YouTube channel got terminated. I was very upset about that, honestly. You know, that's why I talked bad about him, because I was upset. I didn't mean to talk bad about Tiario like that, you know. Tiario, if you're watching this, I apologize years ago from talking about you like that, bro. I really apologize, Tiario, okay? So, yeah, like I said, some things you talk about, I agree with some of the things, but I don't agree with everything you say, you know? And Philip Scott, I don't know if you're watching me or not, but if I say something offensive, I apologize, you know, okay? So, I know I don't have to apologize to you, but I'll apologize to you anyway, just in case, if things I'm saying is offensive, you know? So, sometimes I don't know my own tone of things, you know? Sometimes I don't know my own tone of things, honestly, okay? That's all I'm saying, y'all, okay? So, like I said, I love Tanya. I would never hate on her, you know, because that's my best friend. We got a lot to catch up on, you know, but I would never hate on Tanya. You hear me? I would never. That's my friend, and I support her on some things, but if it's wrong, I'm not gonna support it. If it's right, I'll support it, you know. I want to support people on marriages if it's right. I want to support anything that's right. If it's wrong, you know. And I'm not going to convince nobody to break up. Because I'm not going to convince that, because I'm not being responsible for that. You know, I'm not being responsible for nobody breaking up. You heard me? That's Domino 7. Domino is not going to be responsible for no breakups, no divorces. Excuse me. I'm not being responsible for none of that, you hear me? And I mean that shit. I'm not being responsible for none of that. You understand? Trust and believe. You hear me? I'm not being responsible for no breakup. I'm not being responsible for no arguments between couples. You hear me? Keep me out of that shit. I'm going to stay out of that shit. You hear me? Yeah. But treat me bad and stuff, that was a fucked up problem. That was a fucked up problem, honestly. Okay? That's all that was, okay? So that's all I'm saying, though. I mean, I love you, Tanya, if you're watching this. Shamika, I love you, too. But I'm not going to support things that's wrong. That's all. All right? God bless, okay? Thank y'all for watching. That's all I'm gonna do, all right? God bless. I see y'all later.